Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines, and today we're showing this newly repaired DeLonghi espresso machine coffee maker combo. We fixed the fuse on the coffee maker side, replaced it, it had gone bad, and so let's go ahead and test it out. We don't have any of the parts for making the coffee. You know, the customer didn't send the filter basket or the carafe, so we're just going to use this pitcher of water here, pour it in. So it doesn't, because the filter basket's missing, it doesn't pour directly into the pitcher like you would want it to. But as you can see, it's nice and hot, and it's brewing just like it's supposed to. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and please like the video below. Thank you.